Did you know that some ancient civilizations had technology and customs that were ahead of their time? Let's explore a few fascinating facts that might surprise you. The Great Library of Alexandria in ancient Egypt was the most famous library of the ancient world. It aimed to collect every book ever written, housing an estimated 400,000 to 700,000 scrolls. Sadly, its destruction remains one of history's greatest tragedies. Mesopotamia, often called the cradle of civilization, was where humans developed writing for the first time. They used cuneiform system of writing on clay tablets to record trade, laws, and even poems. The Great Wall of China, built over centuries, stretches more than 13,000 miles. While originally built for protection, it also served as a way to control trade and immigration along the Silk Road. The Romans were engineering masters. Their aqueducts, like the Pont du Gard in France, carried water for miles using gravity alone. These structures are so well built that some still stand today. The Indus Valley Civilization, located in modern-day India and Pakistan, had remarkably advanced city planning. They built cities with straight streets, drainage systems, and even indoor plumbing over 4,500 years ago. These ancient civilizations remind us of humanity's incredible creativity and resilience. What fact amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights from history.